Welcome back to Grey Guild. This is Glenn. As you can see, I cannot stop ordering kits. We've added a couple more here and here. The box is a little damaged, but I'm going to part it out anyway. Over the next month or so, I'm going to try to part out all the rest of these kits. This one I'm still waiting to be put into Bricklink. I also do have this larger kit here that I found, but I have been going through my inventory and I've got just about everything put away. This is all that's left over. I should be able to take care of that today. I just need to charge up my tablet, and then I'll be able to sort it and finish up again this little few last pieces. I have found a couple of spaces or empty bins and you consolidate and such, because these are all the bin spaces I have left currently, plus those two that I found. So we're kind of running out of room already again, so I'm going to have to probably order maybe this month, if not in January, more bins. I'm thinking of getting the larger ones like this, but they have the whole bin space on nothing but those larger bins, because I do have a couple of items such as this one, the 1x2 in white, that's kind of full. So I'm thinking if I can consolidate those items that I have the bins completely filled in these ones, then I could free up the smaller ones and save space that way, because a lot of these parts are going to expand into smaller bins, especially ones like this where it's a lot of round pieces that are new items, those wheels and so on. So let's go over our numbers for the week, or the last couple of weeks, I guess. We've totaled, let's go to the bottom. We've had 3 orders this last week. The week prior we had 1 order, which again isn't our goal of 5, but considering it is holidays, I don't expect much sales to go on. And we have a current store value of $3,405, lot count of 2,899, and a total item count of 23,846. Now I may try to do at the beginning of the year, in January, to do a inventory audit. Make sure I have the amount that I have, and make sure that they're in the right bins and so on. I have, over this last couple of orders, found that it could be a 1 bin off. Instead of 104, it's in 103. So I want to kind of audit and make sure everything's there. And we're just chucking away at our goals. So we'll see what this new year is going to bring. Especially as it gets colder, and I am in an area where it does snow. So getting to the post office may be difficult at times. So we're going to have to wait and see on how everything pans out with that. So we should have plenty of time to do inventory counts and get everything consolidated. Alright, so we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please provide any commentary or comments, constructive criticism, that we can try out this next new year. See you in the next one. Bye.